y'all. We are now with Streetcars 101 TV. I got somebody here I got to introduce you to, man. Introduce yourself, boss.
Hey, my name's Tyler.
Tyler, where you from?
I'm over from the Raleigh area, about
Raleigh?
3 hours from here.
3 hours? So I'm going to say so far, man, what do you think about Monroe?
Love it. Love it. Okay. Love being here.
Y'all hear him? Y'all ain't been to Monroe that long. That's So, man, first thing first, what year make and model Cadillac we're looking at here?
This is a 1960 Sedan DeVille flat top.
Okay. Now, how long have you had it?
I've had this car for about 2 years now.
Okay. What made you get the Cadillac, man?
So this car was the car that got me into automotive when I was 8 years old. So it's kind of like my holy grail car. One day I will own that car. And that chance just happened to come to me 2 years ago.
All right. So now describe that moment, man. What does it feel like to get that dream car that you've been waiting so long to get?
It feels like the culmination of everything that you're working for to finally show some fruits. Like it's really nice. It's a big goal, and I'm looking forward to doing everything I can to the car for sure.
Okay. Okay.
Car used to spend a good amount of time as a funeral home car, and after it was parked up all those years ago, the 390 blew up, so it was no good. So went ahead and did a LS swap in it.
Now tell me, y'all, that right there is just wow. This man just said I did an LS.
Trying to retain as many of the original features as possible, like original style radiator setup and the original fan style setup. And I'm trying to keep everything kind of where it goes in the car, because eventually I kind of want it to disguise it a lot like the 390. I want to keep the 390 spirit alive in this car.
So now, did you do all the work yourself, or you hired a shop?
I did do all the work myself. A lot of research. There's not a whole lot of information out there, but I'm hoping that I can pass along that information to somebody else who might be seeking that, who maybe doesn't know where to find that information as easily.
So now putting it in, how much fabrication and everything did you have to do?
There's a lot of fabrication. As far as putting the engine in, it's not too bad because Big Fin Builds puts out a whole engine mount kit for it. There was a lot more other items that I had to repair on it, having sat up for about 40 years. It used to be a greenhouse of a car, so trees were growing up through the center of the car and everything.
But dude, you said you found out that it was a funeral home car?
It was a funeral home car, yeah. It was a funeral home lead car. And after they blew the head gaskets that filled up with coolant, then it sat for 40 years.
Wow. Oh, and last question. How long did it take for you to get it back on the road after you did the swap?
I pushed to get this drivable within 6 months of me getting it, because I took this thing on power tours. So this thing's been across the country a couple times.
Wait a minute. Hold up. You was on power tours?
Yes.
Why is it that I think I actually got a video of you on Power Tour?
Because you probably did. I was the only 1960 Cadillac on Power Tour.
And the thing is, the guy that filmed it is not too far from here. CJ, man, I'm going to have to go through some of your videos today. I think I remember seeing this because CJ pointed it out. So, all right. So let's go. Let's make our way through, man.
The things you might notice is there are several parts about this car that don't match a DeVille, and that would be some of the Fleetwood ornaments that are in and around the thrusters. And the story of that is there was a donor car that I picked up, and the old guy who owned that Fleetwood donor car, he parked it out on his property line to stop Big Pharma from encroaching on his land. But as you can imagine, being out in the woods for a while takes its toll on a lot of these cars. And so on his deathbed, he had two wishes. One, don't sell my property. And two, I know my car's too far gone, but let it breathe life into another car. So through his car is how this car is able to live. So a lot of his ornaments are in this car, breathing life back into this car.
So now you mean like we're talking body frame,
we're talking body components, we're talking finish. The whole front end is from his car.
Okay. So
we're talking about down through here. And the best part about his car is it matched mine. So his car was white and it goes back into this here. So it looks like it was here the whole time. But without his car, this car would still be rotting.
So, man, now I got an ultimate question for you. All right, so as a car enthusiast, man, what is one of the things you really love about being a car enthusiast, especially now in our time where things are kind of being challenged and everything?
I do like the freedom of expression, the freedom to make it what you want. There's not too many ways that you can still do that in a newer car these days, but you can really take one of these cars that there could be thousands upon thousands of, and you can make it your own. You can make it into whatever you want. You'll notice each one of these here is different in its own unique way, even though they all started out pretty much the same at the factory.
All right, and then two more questions. Next question is, what made you join the Cadillac Kings, man?
I really like the community here. It is a bit of a drive for me to get over here, but every time I make that drive,
Wait a minute, you said that's a 3-hour drive.
That is a 3-hour drive.
You was on the power tour.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. If I'm correct, y'all went to Tennessee, Virginia.
Yep.
Well, I'm missing something.
We went all the way up through Indiana.
Yeah.
Ohio. Yeah.
Yeah, that's like what, a 3-day trip?
that was a week-long trip. Whew. Yeah. So this thing hauls.
All right. Well, now also, Tyler, how can everybody follow you, see more content, and anything that you have too, man, available online?
Well, the easy way is just to follow our Cadillac Kings Monroe. We post pretty much everything we do there all the time, the different charities, the different events, and places that we're getting together and showing off what we do.
10-4, man. I'll be seeing you in Raleigh pretty soon, man. I'll be out there a lot. So
awesome. Yeah, come on out. We need more people.
All right, y'all know what it is. Street Cars 101 TV.